Lord.
I can see it.
Yes.
I can see it. You've been crying way too long. God's about to blow your mind.
Yes. Blow my mind, God.
It's gonna be real good. I can see it. I can see it.
Yes.
'Cause it's here now. Heaven is open.
Yes.
It's here now. Miracles falling, receive it.
Yes.
Season of rain.
Yes.
It's gonna be real good. Good Lord is doing now.
Yes.
It's gonna be real good. I can see it. I can see it. You've been crying.
Yes.
It's gonna be real good. I can see it.
I can see it.
It's here now. Yeah. Stop it. It's here now. Miracles falling.
Yes.
Let's get this thing right. It's here now. Receive it. Open up your heart and receive what God's doing. This is the season of rain. We want to encourage you and tell you that we've been made to do it, but God still is working. Praise from the heaven best.
Yes.
Let's bring it up and play it. It's here, guys.
Yes.
See it on the mouth. Behold's gonna hear a song. It's ugly. It's here. It's here.
It's here.
See it.
I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Come on here. Glory. Come on, Shania. It's here now.